200 ml of 0.01 molar HCl is mixed with 400 ml of 0.01 molar sulfuric acid. Then what is the resultant pH of this mixture? Very simple. Look at here and very important. Look at here. The resultant concentration of H plus ion upon mixing these two acids. So whenever we mix two or more acids having different concentration, now resultant concentration can be taken as N1V1 plus N2V2 by V total, that is V1 plus V2. Now if you consider this formula, we'll get resultant concentration of H plus ion in normalities. So that is how much here? So 0.01, I can write 10 power minus 2 multiplied with 200 ml plus here 400 ml into 0.01 molarity, but I want this to be taken in normalities. So N factor for sulfuric acid is 2, so molarity into N factor gives normality, that is 0.02. So 2 into 10 power minus 2 is the normality having volume of 400 ml. So by total volume is 600 ml. So by simplifying this, we will be getting as 4 to the 8 plus 2. So 10 by 600, I can say 1 by 60 will be the resultant H plus ion concentration. Now we can do pH calculation using the formula of minus log concentration of H plus ion expressed in normalities, right? So now minus log concentration of H plus ion is 10 power 1 by 60 it is given. So we can write this as log 60. So log 60 is nothing but log 10 plus log 6. Log 10 is 1 and log 6 is log 2 plus log 3, that is 0.3 plus 0.48, I can write 0.78, that will be 1.78 will be the resultant pH of this particular mixture. So we have option number B as our perfect answer for this question. Hope this is clear. If you like the content, please click on the like button. Thank you.